Dear student, today we discussed PPSC जिलेदार कंप्लीट टेस्ट पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 29/6/2025 को हुआ था। इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। इन विच बैटल हजरत जाफर तैयार वाज मार्टाइड मोटा। What is the next number in the series 1 1 2 6 24 120? A refrigerator works on the principle of thermodynamics. In which year West Pakistan became one unit? 1955। मिर्ज़ा अदीब का असल नाम क्या था? दिलावर अली। Which city is known as the Bride of the Sea? Venus। मीर हसन की मसनूयात की तादाद कितनी है? 3। चीनी कोठी नावल किसने लिखा? सदीक आलम। मस्जिद वजीर खान was made in which century? 17। Which is the oldest and largest mosque in the world? Great Mosque of Makkah। बुद्ध मत का तस्वर किसने दिया? गौतम बुद्ध। Who started the Farazi movement? हाजी शरीयतुल्लाह। वो हदीस जो सहाबी पर ख़त्म हो कौन सी है? हदीस माकूफ। पंजा मरियम क्या है? एक पौधा। When the partition of Bengal took place? 1905। Who is the current president of Syria? Ahmad al-Shara। Myanmar is the new old name of Burma। NASA Below Ghost Mission 2 is planned for which year? 2026। Which country won the most medals in the Tokyo 2020 Olympics held in 2021? United States of America। Give the name who compiled first work of Hadith Sahafa Sadiqa? Hazrat Abdullah bin Ammar। Which Muslim was also a great surgeon? Al-Zahrawi। What does the term crypto winter mean? A surge in cryptocurrency prices. Which percentage correctly represent Pakistan's arms imports from China? 81%। Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him sacrificed how many camels at the occasion of Hajj? 63 camels। Which of the following is used in fire extinguisher? Carbon dioxide। How long has the sun taken to use up half of its hydrogen fuel? 4.6 billion years। Who said that Kashmiris would prefer China over India? Farooq Abdullah। Which Indian leader first took the Kashmir issue to the UN Security Council? Jawaharlal Nehru। The 2008 Olympics were held in which city? Beijing। To return the remainder after the number is divided by a divisor in Excel, we use the function MOD. Power Failure is the autobiography of which person? William D. Cohen। What is the area of the Sinai Peninsula? 61,000 square kilometer। Mount Tabora is located in which country? Indonesia। What was the purpose of the ISPAD 2025 conference in Pakistan? To promote physics education and research. What percent share of industry enterprises did Pakistan have at the time of partition? 3.7%. Who recalled Muhammad bin Qasim for Sindh? Khalifa Suleiman. Haripur was named after which Sikh ruler? Hari Singh Nalwa. The book Modern Muslim India and the Birth of Pakistan was written by S. K. Akram. Which is the national game of Pakistan? Hockey. NGO is non-profit work for social and political tasks. Which bank controls all the functions of the banking system in Pakistan? State Bank. Who is the current permanent representative of Pakistan to United Nations? Asim Iftikhar Ahmed. Petronas Tower is one of the tallest buildings of the world. It is situated in Kuala Lumpur. Dal Lake is located in area of Srinagar. Which key is used to minimize Excel worksheet? Control plus F9. Which city is called the gateway of Pakistan? Karachi. In MS Word we can create another copy of documents by save as. To print and view a document, which option is used? Preview. कौन सा शायर बच्चों की हैसियत से मशहूर है? इस्माइल मराठी. एक था लड़का टूट बटूट किसकी नज़म है? सूफी गुलाम मुस्तफ़ा तबस्सुम. Insulin is produced by which organ of the body? Pancreas. The instrument used to measure blood pressure is? Who was the founder of Arya Samaj? Pandit Dayanand. The second Constituent Assembly of Pakistan was formed in 1955. When zakat become obligatory? 2AH. The antonym of beginning is? Malevolent. Mangala Dam was constructed on the which river? Jhelum. The synonyms of insolvent is? Bankrupt. My books are dash the table on. When President Mamnoon Hussain signed the FATA Merge Bill? 31 मई 2018. Pakistan has no diplomatic relations with Israel. Thanks for watching. Ready for exam.